Hello students, so once again welcome to the next SOP, that is database concepts using library office base. Now in the library office base you have to create the different things like table, query, forms. So let's have a look on the question slip. So here create a table student with field names, roll number, student name, class, division, city and date of birth. Now when you create the fields, you have to insert the data types related to it. That is for roll number, number data type, student name, text data type, class, text data type, division, text data type, city, text data type and date of birth, date data type. Then you have to insert minimum 8 records in it, and after that you have to create a form which is based on the student table. So let's have the demo of this practical. Hello students, so let's begin the practical of library office base. To open the library office base, you have to click on the library office. So here you will click on it. Then after that, on the left hand side you will get certain options. From that you have to select base database option. Now here, this is the screen of library office base where you are going to create a database, a database of the student. Now here, the options you will get, select database and save and proceed. Now first, you have to select create a new database option and then click on the next button. After that, it will ask you to save and proceed. So here, yes, register the database for me. This option you have to click on or you have to select and then click on finish button. So it will ask you to save the database. The name of the database is student. So here, write down the student name and click on the save button. Now after this, it will open the screen of library office base where now you are going to create the students database. Now students, as you know, we have to create a table of students name with the field names, roll number, students name, class, division, city and date of birth. So now here I will click on create table in design view. Three options will be provided. Create table in design view, that means you will create with the data types and field names. Use wizard to create the table, means ready-made tables are available to you and just you have to select the table and fields and create a view. So with the field names you will create. Now to create a table in design view, you will click on the create table in design view option. Here the screen is divided into three parts: the field name, field type and description. Field names means the field names which you want to enter. The field type, according to the field name, the field type you have to select, and description is the description about your field. Now let's start creating the field names. Click here and type the field name as a roll number. So automatically when you get the roll number, so different data types will come below from which a number you have to select. If you want to write the description, you can write the description as roll number of a student. So it is not compulsory. If you wish to write, you can write. Second field name is student's name. So here as per the field name, student name, data type is text. Third field name is class. Again the text data type. Next one is division. Again you will use the text data type. Next one is city. Again you will use the text data type because all they contains the alphabets. And last one is DOB, that is date of birth, for which you will select the type as date. Now after entering all the field names, you have to insert a primary key. Now what do you mean by a primary key? A primary key avoids the duplication of data. So the duplicate data is avoided. So here roll number is a field. Right click on this roll number and the last option is primary key, which you will assign to roll number. That means when you enter 100 students, the roll number, and suppose some numbers are repeated, immediately it will show you the error message that there is a duplication of the number. That's why you have to assign the primary key. Now once again save the table with the name student and click on OK. So after this, your student table is created. Now here you will see the table name as student. Now, as per the second question, this is your first question. Second question, you have to insert minimum 8 records. Now, to insert minimum 8 records, just double click on the student and you will get the view of entering the data. Enter roll number 1, the student name as, write down the student name, class 12, division A, city Pune, date of birth you can write 2 dot or 2 oblique 4 oblique 2003. Okay, so like that you will enter. Then roll number 2. Then write down Akshata, Kamthe. Again 12. Next is A. Next is Pune. And date of birth is whichever you want to write, you can write. Next one is 3. Write down the name. Then again 12. A. Pune. Next 4. 12. A. Pune. Then 5. Fifth number record. 12. A. All are from Pune. So you can write it 6. 12. As this is a 12th standard class, so we are entering the student's name. 7th. 12. A. Pune. And last is 8. 12. A. Pune, and write down the date. So now this way you will enter all the 8 records and just click on save. Close this one. So this way you have created a table and you have entered the records. Now the last question, create a form based on the students table. Now on the left hand side you will get the 4 objects, that is table, queries, forms and reports. Now to create a form, click on form and create a form in design view, as we have already created a table. So now we have to create a form with the help of wizard. Now available is student. The field table name is student, which we have already created. All the fields, roll number, student name, class, division, city and date of birth. Take to the right hand side, click on this button. Then click on next. There is no subform, so just click on next. Then which alignment you want. So arrangement of the main form is the third one I have selected. Then this form is display all the data. Again click on next. Now here you will get the different styles. So bright blue, light gray, dark, ice blue, orange. So whichever you like, that you select and click on next. Give the name to the form as student, modify the form and click on finish. So if you see, The form is created in this pattern. So this is the form. When you click on it, run option. So this form is there. This is first record, second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record, sixth record, seventh record, and eighth record. So these are all the records which are there in the form. So this way you can create the form. Again we will see, go to the use wizard to create the form. Then student table you will select. Next, no subform is added. Next, whichever you want, this way you select. Next, the form is used to display the data. Next, which combination you want. Next, and finish. So here you will get the form in this form. So this is your first record. When you click on next, second record is displayed. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, and eighth. So these are all the 8 records in the form. So this is your practical for creating the table, entering the records, and creating a form. Save it.